Indonesia selalu punya cara untuk membuat siapapun jatuh cinta, bahkan sejak langkah pertama. Jalan di tengah hiruk pikuk kota, menangkap cinta, ekspresi dan reaksi jujur. Di hari ini, gua bakal jadi pemandu untuk teman-teman gua yang dari mancanegara untuk menjelajahi Jakarta lewat tempat-tempat yang ikonik. Karena traveling bukan cuma sekedar berpindah tempat, tapi tentang melihat Indonesia. Dan selamat datang di Jakarta.
So, welcome back to my channel. Kembali lagi dengan gua Hendy di sini. Sekarang gua bersama teman-teman gua di depan. Kita lagi mau menuju ke salah satu tempat dan mau explore beberapa tempat yang ada di Jakarta. Ngebawa teman bule gua yang datang ke Jakarta, dan it will be amazing journey for everyone. Let's go.
Hello.
Hi. Good morning. So today kita akan kemana, Kak?
So we're going to Pasar Senen.
Pasar Senen.
It's a traditional market.
Yeah.
So we will see many traditional snacks
Yeah.
and also veggies, fruit, and seasonal fruits. That's nice.
Yeah, lot of things that we can see on the market, Senen market,
Yeah.
Monday market.
But for sure, it's very local.
Yeah, it's really cool, and we bring our friends here. Hi guys. Hi. So yeah, we are ready to excited for today. Come on, bro.
Yeah. Let's visit
capital city of Indonesia.
My mom will be coming here early in the morning to buy the ingredients, to buy some snacks for breakfast. So when you ask the people here, what do you have for breakfast? She will say rice.
So yeah, hi. Hello, we are in
We're in the market.
In the
I
market.
can't remember the name of the market.
Monday market atau
Market.
Pasar Senen. Pasar Senen we call Pasar Senen, but in English is Monday market.
Monday market.
Yeah, even the name is Monday, but we already open every day.
Ah,
Yeah,
nice and cool.
yeah. In Jakarta we have lot of market with the name of day like Monday market, Sunday market, Wednesday market we have.
Going to the shopping mall with branding stuff, Chanel, we cannot afford that. So we should come here. No, you can't?
No.
Yeah. So usually people come here, it's only 35,000, it's only 40,000. So it's basically a thrift market. So it's become
Do you find something that you want to buy here?
Yeah, we need to buy leggings.
Leggings,
For the
okay.
hiking.
Okay.
Like sports leggings. Or,
Okay.
Yeah.
Sport
Or
leggings.
hiking pants.
Yeah, hiking pants. What they have, I think.
Okay, well.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
Not for salt right now,
But it looks good, right?
everything is really good. But I feel like if I eat something from there, my mouth is gonna be like burned for the whole day.
Yeah. No, not normal, but your belly, I think.
This is the kind of breakfast that we also can have. And it can be eaten in the morning. It can be also eaten for coffee, tea time.
So those are the same, right?
Yeah, I think it's the same. It's the same.
Sur le tout salé. Mais pour celui-là, j'aime bien ça. Et j'aime bien ça.
Give me part of sin.
You get? What do you get? Okay, show me.
So
What you get?
I get like
yeah.
red beans.
Red beans. It's
That one.
Okay, it's all solo. Wow, that's lot.
Super.
And crepe.
Wait, wait.
How
That
much
one
is it? Yeah, it's banana. Banana
and
bread.
that one I don't know. She said it's sweet potato.
Yeah,
so I wanna
sweet
try
potato.
that
It's
one.
just sweet potato. So yeah. How much is this you pay?
I don't know. She paid.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's really good.
Sugar mommy.
Sugar mommy. How is it? Good. That's it solo.
I reckon so. What is like is it jam?
Banana. It's banana.
Or banana?
Yeah.
Really tasty.
Yeah.
Really tasty.
Yeah. How is it?
Good.
Good.
Chicken and rice. That's
Yeah.
good.
Carefully, carefully. Carefully. Interest to shopping here? To buy me? Interest to shopping here?
That was bring it right into the
Yeah.
culture.
Yeah. Wow.
All with the locals. But you know what? Do you know what? It's amazing to see
Yeah.
like how it's actually
Yeah.
done.
That's
You
true.
only see from behind the like scenes.
Yeah, that's true.
How do I do it? So she preferred to do the old-fashioned one. That would be the tuk-tuk like that, just behind you. So we call it bajai. So bajai is the name, and
Yeah, we're going to naik angkot. This is angkot. Yeah. Okay. So kita habis ini mau kemana kak?
sini kita ke Kota Tua.
Kota Tua.
Kota Tua, terus nanti kita tunjukin ke mereka tempat-tempat bersejarahnya, biar mereka juga tahu sejarah Jakarta.
Very excited. Today kita habis aja dari Pasar Senen. Kita tunjukin local market of Indonesia in Jakarta especially. Ya, dan kayak kita menuju ke Kota Tua and let's go.
Siap.
Yeah, I thought you said that I just met you. Yes, like you just met. So you know, so this kind of public transport is called angkot. Maybe for you it cannot fit for 10 Canadians in the, but for the Indonesian.
Welcome to Glodok Chinatown. So after we going to Monday Market.
Another market?
Monday Market. Now we go to another market in Chinatown. It will be amazing because it will be had a Chinese New Year this year. Yeah, so there's a lot of market about Chinese. They prepare everything about Chinese New Year.
Oh,
That will be
really
great.
excited.
Yeah. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
When we were in Malaysia just before this, there was so much going on for Chinese New Year.
Yeah.
But obviously, like we just had to leave and stuff.
Yeah.
But we had all of this
Yeah, all this thing about Chinese,
gorgeous.
very gorgeous, very cool. Gimana?
17th of February.
7th of February. So that's why now we
Yeah.
rainy season before Imlek. Indonesia.
We're back here. We're
Yeah.
actually in Jakarta on the 17th of
Really?
February. Yeah. So I'm anxious to see if we're gonna see anything for New Year's. The year of the horse. Goodbye, year of the serpent. Hello, year of the horse.
Wow. You can, it's very fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, you can eat. Ooh la la.
It's juicy.
Super juicy.
Yeah.
Oh, you can eat. Ooh la la.
It's juicy.
Super juicy fresh. Saya busuk. Saya busuk tuh. Kayaknya busuk tuh.
Non?
You can change.
Ça change?
Yeah.
Regarde.
Trop bon.
Come on.
Trop bon. Very good in
Very
French.
good. No. Ooh la la.
Delicious.
Delicious. Ah. Ooh la la.